What is going on, guys? I'm doing another video here. I'm going to do a quick one here. 2 hours of fishing, and we're going to go for bluegills and maybe pike or bass. So we're going to have a tip up out, and we're going to just kind of hole hop. It's pretty windy out, so we'll see how this goes, but I'm going to try my best to get some good content here. It might be a quick video, but I'm hoping it gets something pretty big out here. It goes 10-inch bluegill and bass or a big pike. We'll see. I got bigger suckers. I'll be on the tip ups, and I'll just be hole hopping with the tungsten jig. Stay tuned, guys. All right, let them sit. Drop down. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. That's a nice one, I think. Oh yeah, nice. Nice bluegill. Look at that. Heck yeah. Alright, I'm gonna move. I gotta move. Go down a little deeper. Just a little bit deeper. Here we go. There we go. That's a nice one, I think. Oh yeah, nice. Nice bluegill. Look at that. Heck yeah. Got the heavy tungsten. Got a little bright because it's getting dark, so I figured that would be easier for them to see it. Here we go. Oh, big. Big, big, big. Oh my god. Oh god. This is not a bluegill. Hopefully it's a bass. It's probably a pike though. Oh my god. It's a nice bass. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that was awesome. Get him on the hook. Perfect hook set right in that hard snout. Nice. Get him down. I'm not gonna have much time. Oh, here we go. There's one. Oh god. This could be really nice. Oh yeah, nice bluegill. Can't complain about that. And the giant, just a good eater. Fired up. Oh yeah, he's gonna take it for sure. There's no doubt. There's a nice one. Oh my god, yes. Look at that. Look at that. Just a toad. There we go. I got a fling. It's moving steady. There we go. Got him. Got him. What is it? Oh, it's a big bass. Not a giant bass, I guess, but that's awesome. Let's go. Let's go. That's pretty cool. Catching bass. I had a feeling we'd catch a bass out here. Gosh, it's so cold. Alright, let's see what we got here. Bass. Nice bass. Look at that. There we go again. Oh, I got a good hook set right there. I should have brought my pliers. At least it's a bass, not a freaking pike. Why didn't I have my pliers with me? I don't know. There you go. Not a giant or anything. I knew there was bass in here. There's a lot of bass, so I figured we'd catch some bass tip up fishing for these pike. So kind of my mentality was catch tip up fish for bass too, you know. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, big bluegill. Big bluegill. Oh, yes. Look at that, right in the side of my vehicle. I love it. There we go. Oh, this is big, I think. Yeah, we see them until they... oh, that's actually pretty nice. But you get wrapped around that transducer so easy, and they make it seem like it's a big fish right when you hook it. Let's go let it sit. Just let him take it. Got him. Oh, nice fish. They're all pretty nice bluegills. Just haven't got that giant yet, which is okay. I'm satisfied with these. There we go. Oh, this might be nice. Oh, wow. Oh, baby. Oh, this is a toad, guys. Look at that. 9 inch and 3/4. Almost 10, guys. Almost 10. Get him back. There we go. Got him. Got him. Nice bluegill. Not giant like the other one, but not bad. Just a little guy. Alright guys, it's getting really slow, so I'm going to probably just pack it up here. Which is not much to pack up since I've been kind of all over the place. I didn't even get the portable set up, just kind of fishing in the side of my vehicle and kind of hole-hopped around the lake. But it was a successful 2 hours of fishing at least after work here. Caught some nice bass off the tip-ups, one on the rod, and some pretty nice bluegills, and a 9 3/4 inch bluegill, which was really nice. And then it hit that 10-inch mark, but that's okay, we got plenty of time. I haven't been doing much pan fishing at all this year, so this is kind of been just starting right now, and I say that's a pretty good start in a way. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this content. I know it was a quick video, but again, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And yeah, just stay tuned for more content. You guys have a good night. Take care.